We'll guide you through how to add overlays in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut. So for whatever reason you want to go and add in an overlay, this could be another photo or video on top of another photo or video. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure there's 4 videos so you know exactly what you need to do. So you can go into an existing project in CapCut, or you can go and create a new one. In this case, I've already got one here, so I'll go and tap on it. But you could always go and press new video and go and choose the clip you want to go and have as the base, or photo or video, which could be the clip. Then what we need to do is to go and add the overlay. Make sure you've got nothing selected. If you do, go and press the back button in the bottom left so you see the options at the bottom. Then you can go along and you can find the option for overlay, and you want to go and tap there. Then you'll see the option for add overlay and you can tap there. Now you need to go and choose what you want to overlay. So you can go and change between videos and photos at the top. Then you can go and choose what you want to do this with and select it. Then you can press add in the bottom right, and there it is. Now you can go and pinch on it in the preview to resize it and drag it to where you want it to go and be. If you go and look in the timeline, you can go and adjust start and end point by tapping and holding, and you can tap and hold and drag the entire thing if you want to as well. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.